This is a teardown of the AR-15. This is an Olympic Arms 5.56 223. Just going to basically show you how to field strip it for cleaning it. There's several different ways to do it. My preferred method is to separate the upper and the lower so you can lube everything without anything being in the way. First thing you want to do, there's two pins right here. Okay? You can see them on these sides. All you got to do is press in, lay it down, pull, pull, hard. Grab hold of your charging handle right here. Take your charging handle. And you take your charging handle out. Your whole bolt assembly. And then there is the firing pin retention pin. Okay. This piece right here, you want to turn sideways. Okay. Very, very, very important that you do it if it'll turn. Oh, for all of you that are wondering what fell out of the bottom, firing pin. Don't lose these two items. Okay. Take that out. Set that off to the side. Pull that out. Lube everything. Okay. I use hops, as you can see. Love it. Love it. Fantastic. Reassemblies, pretty much the same thing. Be sure that this open side is on this side of your gas tube. This is the gas tube. Be sure it's on this side. Put it down. You'll see a hole line up right here. Stick this back in sideways. Turn it. Pull it. Firing pin goes in this way. Firing pin locks in. Take your lower. What I like to do is put the front in first. But it doesn't really matter how you do it. Bring it down. I'm sorry, I like to close dust covers. It is a very bad habit of mine.
Good habit.
Huh?
Good habit.
Okay, it's complete. Function test. Functions. Shoots. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, the comments below, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. You really don't need to tear down to the buff. You truly don't. I've rarely seen dirt get in the buff. Unless you're planning on throwing it in some swampy water, you aren't getting anything in there. And that's coming from 3 tours in Iraq. So, have fun with it, guys. Try it. Play with it. Okay? Do it a couple times. So that way you get familiar with it. Clean it. Please clean it. Whenever you clean it, you're going to take out all that stuff. Go from front down the tube. Get everything away from the firing area.